In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text columns in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to format clean, professional, multi-column text for flyers, newsletters, or social posts without wrestling with separate text boxes. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. When the results appear, click the official Canva website. If you're ever unsure, look for the verified domain and familiar branding so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the home page, log in with your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your dashboard. Next, open your design. You can select an existing project from your recent designs or choose a template size that fits your needs and open it from the home page. Give the page a moment to load so all the editing tools appear across the top and left side. To create columns, we're going to use a simple table. You can add it two ways. Press the / key on your keyboard to open Canva's quick command menu and type Table, or go to the Elements tab on the left, use the search bar, and type Table. Click a table style to insert it onto your canvas. If it lands in the wrong spot, just drag it into place. Now set up the number of columns you want. For most layouts, 2 or 3 columns work best. Choose a table preset that already has the right number of columns, or adjust after inserting by adding or removing columns using the on-canvas controls. You can drag the vertical dividers left or right to fine-tune the column widths so they look balanced with your page margins and images. With the structure in place, make the table lines invisible so it looks like true newspaper-style columns. Click the table to select it, then head to the top toolbar and open the border settings. Set the border weight to 0 or choose None. If you still see faint lines, also set the border color to transparent. The column layout stays intact, but the lines disappear from view and from export. You're ready to add content. Double-click inside any cell and start typing. You can paste text from another document, then adjust font, size, color, alignment, and line spacing from the top toolbar. If you need more vertical room, add rows to extend the column downward. Keep an eye on visual balance as you go. Match font sizes across columns and align your text to the same baseline for a polished finish. That's it. Clean, flexible text columns in Canva, built the easy way.